Namaste, Javians. I, Javian Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic uh, neosomes. Neosomes topic is very important topic. So, firstly, the introduction, general characteristic of neosomes, advantage of neosomes, disadvantage of neosomes, and structure of neosomes. So, contrast and similarity between neosomes and liposomes and method of preparation, factor affecting the physiological property of neosome, types of neosome, characterization of neosomes. So firstly, we will discuss the introduction. So the development of new drug improving safety and efficacy of existing drug is difficult and expensive and time consuming. So at present, no available drug delivery system behaves ideally achieving all the lofty goals. Encapsulation of the drug in vesicular structure is one of the promising systems, such as liposomes, neosomes, and transferosomes, and ethosomes, and pharmacosomes, etc. It delivers drug directly to the site of action, leading to reduction of drug toxicity with no adverse effect. And vesicular drug delivery reduces the cost of therapy by improving bioavailability of medication and also solves the problems of the drug insolubility, instability, and rapid degradation. So, the neosomes are a novel drug delivery system in which the medication is the encapsulated in the vesicle composed of a bilayer of non-ionic surface active agents and hence the name neosomes. The neosomes are very small and microscopic in size. Their size lies in the nanometric scale. First one is definition of neosomes is neosomes are synthetic microscopic vesicles consisting of an aqueous core enclosed in a bilayer consisting of cholesterol and one or more non-ionic surfactants. Vesicles are prepared from self-assembly of hydrated non-ionic surfactant molecules. General characteristics of neosomes: biocompatible, biodegradable, non-toxic, non-immunogenic, uh, and non-carcinogenic. The ability of non-ionic surfactant of to form bilayer vesicles is dependent on the HLB value of the surfactant, the chemical structure of the components, and the critical packing parameters. Neosomes can be characterized by their size distribution studies, high resistance to hydrolytic degradation. The properties of neosomes depends both on composition of the bilayer and on method of their production. So the advantage of neosomes. Advantage of neosomes is targeted drug delivery can achieve using neosomes. The drug is delivered directly to the body part where the therapeutic effect is required. So reduced dose is required to achieve the desired effect and subsequent decrease in the side effect. The therapeutic efficacy of the drug is improved by reducing the clearance rate and targeting to the specific site and by protecting the encapsulated drug. Neosomes are amphiphilic, that is both hydrophilic and lipophilic in nature, and can accommodate a large number of drugs with a wide range of solubilities, improve the oral bioavailability of poorly soluble drugs, enhance the stick permeability of drugs when applied typically, and provide advantage of uses through various routes, oral, parenteral, topical, ocular, etc. The bilayer of neosomes protect the enclosed active pharmaceutical ingredient from the various factors present both inside and outside the body. The surfactants used and also the prepared mucosa are biodegradable, biocompatible, and non-immunogenic. They are cosmetically active in state. So now we come to the disadvantage of mucosa. Aqueous suspension of mucosa may exhibit fusion and aggregation, leaching, or hydrolysis of intramural. This limiting shelf life of mucosa dispersion, time consuming, requires specialized equipment, inefficient drug loading. Structure of mucosa is the mucosa are microscopic, lamellar structure, and basic structural components are non-ionic surfactant, cholesterol, charge-inducing molecules, and a number of non-ionic surfactants used are polyglycol alkyl ether. So this is the complete session of the mucosa. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with the digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve your problem by the problem resolving. Thank you and thank you for the listening.